Do that again, baby. This pigeon doesn't... It's a pigeon. I said pigeon. This pigeon thinks it's a duck. It's actually a seagull. Come on, little birdie.
He's like, just throw another cracker at us.
Yeah, just give me it. Give me more food. Give me.
Wow, he got that on the floor.
Just throw it in his mouth. Try and make it in his mouth.
Oh, he saw it. He got it.
Goes, oh damn, those things are good.
Cracker. He saw it.
Cracker.
Shit.
Because I think that's the most delicious thing I've ever tasted. What's on it? Those are Tostitos with lime on them. Aren't they good? He's sliding.
He's getting brazen.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh, look how pretty she is.
What is that? Is that a girl one?
I think so.
Oh, she's sending out the signal. The signal has been sent.
Corn chips!
Tostitos! They think we're pigeons! And they're quacking at us.
He's lighter, definitely, huh? Mm-hmm. Maybe it's a male and female. Now, they both have the red spot on the beak.
Let's see. Hello. Hello.
People feed them all the time.
Oh, he barked at you.
He's like, cracker.
Do it again. He did what salsa... Oh! You gotta give him another one. He did what salsa does. He's talking. He's definitely talking. Are you gonna give him another one? Oh, you don't get any more. Even though you performed for us and you're talking to us, you don't get any more.
I want a mass.
Hold on, he's getting you one. You ready? Here it comes. He's coming up here. Come on. He's waiting. Look at him.
Where's he at?
He's coming up.
Oh, he can't come up here.
Give it to me. Oh. I want to see if I take it out of my hand.
No.
Oh, come on, baby. That's a small piece. Come here. Come on. Come on, get it. Come on, get it.
He's like, I'm following.
Come on.
You're gonna have to get it.
Go get that. Come on.
Go get it.
Go ahead. Go ahead. I won't hurt you.
That's two of us in two different spaces. He's got to keep an eye on one of us.
Oh, here he comes.
Yeah. Get it, birdie. Get it, birdie.
I'm definitely putting this on YouTube. Just annoying minutes of looking at a bird. Slipping.
Get it. Get it.
Come on. Good job. Oh! He stopped it. Oh, pretty wings. Thank you. Nice.
Exactly.
We're going to put it on YouTube.
Oh.
Oh!
Yes, that's close.